Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the ad blocker in the Brave browser step by step. Brave has a built-in ad blocker called Brave Shields, which blocks ads and trackers automatically. So let's get started. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. Next, click the three-line menu in the top right corner. Then select Settings. From the left menu, click Shields. Make sure Trackers and Ads blocking is turned on. Next, choose your preferred blocking level. You can select Standard for balanced protection or Aggressive to block more ads and trackers. Now, open any website. If you want to control ad blocking for a specific website, click the Brave Shields icon in the address bar. Turn Shields on or off for that website if needed. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the ad blocker in the Brave browser. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Brave browser tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.